Assistance animals. The Fair Housing Act protects people with disabilities from discrimination. This means that landlords are sometimes required to change a lease term or other rule, so a person with a disability can live in the rental property. The law calls these changes reasonable accommodations. This sometimes comes up with service and assistance animals. While landlords may have rules limiting pets, those rules may have to be changed for a person who needs an assistance animal for their disability. Under the Fair Housing Act, an assistance animal is an animal that helps a person with a disability by performing tasks or providing emotional support that helps reduce the symptoms of a disability. An assistance animal is usually the type of animal that is commonly kept in the home. Service animals are one type of assistance animal. Fair housing laws allow both service animals and other assistance animals in housing. The Fair Housing Act's assistance animal rules apply to almost every kind of housing: private housing, subsidized housing, group homes, mobile homes, and most shelters and transitional housing. A request for an assistance animal is handled like any other reasonable accommodation request. A person has to show that they have a disability and that they need the requested animal because of that disability. This is usually done through a verification letter from a treating healthcare professional, such as a doctor, psychiatrist, therapist, social worker, or nurse. Many legitimate healthcare professionals provide services over the Internet. But letters, certificates, and similar documents from online websites that charge a fee after a short questionnaire are generally not enough by themselves to show that someone has a disability or needs an assistance animal. Some additional tips. An assistance animal does not need to be trained or certified or registered with any agency or government. Landlords cannot charge extra rent, deposits, or fees for an assistance animal. Breed, size, and weight restrictions do not apply to assistance animals. But if a specific animal is dangerous or disruptive, that animal may be excluded. A tenant must maintain control of their assistance animal, prevent excessive noise or damage, and cover the costs of any damage caused by the animal. While an assistance animal might sometimes be a more unique animal, the legal requirements for having those types of animals are much stricter. If someone needs more than one assistance animal, they need to show why more than one animal is needed. Assistance animals can go to all areas of the property where people are normally allowed to go. If you think your rights have been violated in North Carolina, contact Legal Aid's Fair Housing Project. We can give you information about your fair housing rights. You can reach us by email or by phone at this number.